You want to scratch it pretty good. Okay, so this is. A couple slots.
On it. Fun to shoot yours. Yeah. You're going through that. Alright, here we go. Battery.
I got a 2032 and a 1623.
Alright, you want to hit my steel? Then you're going to take this here. Okay. So this is our Wraith thermal. I think last year you shot our Wraith 4K mini digital zoom. It's right, it's over there. You can shoot it later. But this is kind of the stepbrother to that. Okay, so this is a 4 sensor thermal unit. Okay, so what that means is usually the number of pixels in the image that you're going to look at. Okay, so like this is 640, this is 384. Okay, it's a 2 to 16 zoom. So the base mag, it's a 2 to 8. I'm getting all mixed up now. It's a 2 to 16 zoom. So your base magnification's at 2.
Okay, so now
it's real simple to use to zoom in. You just hit that forward to zoom out, back. To change the color palette, you just hit that left arrow. Yeah. Other than that, feel free to look around, get comfortable, get oriented, and then whenever you're ready, you can put the mag in and go ahead and take a shot.
When you're ready, you're gonna just nice and slow to start squeezing the trigger.
21. There you go.
I'll jump in. What are you shooting? This is the 6.5 PRC. I got it. This is 6.5 PRC. PR15. Yeah, that's a hit. We're just shooting 200 yards. We're shooting the steel on the left.
That's a hit. Yeah, you're pounding it. Killing pig. Another pig down. How'd it feel?
I like it.
Yeah.
A lot. Especially even being that awkward. It's like,
Yeah. And you know, I mean, so for $2,000,
right.
you're hitting pigs at 200 yards right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It does audio video recording as well.
Oh, that's right. Everybody else told me that.
So you can do a micro SD card in it if you want to do that.
Yes.
Now I'm going to say, you know, if you're trying to pull that image off and put it on a larger screen, you're going to see this.
Oh, the resolution.
Yeah, but it can't do all that stuff on social media.
So whenever you are at like 12
What
versus 2,
happens is
your reticle's
doing this.
That's right.
Moving your head up and down.
very cool.
And then when you get your parallax set right,
We've got, like I said, the stepbrother to this, that digital optic over there, so make sure
now when you're moving your head, the reticle stays.
Yeah.
I mean, wireless. That bolt won't go home. It's the magazine. It's not the bolt. Okay. It's because the spring's getting a little weak in there, so the bullets keep dipping down.
What bottom metal is that one in there?
That's that is part of the chassis itself. So it's built. It's integral to the chassis. So the whole chassis is the Creed Precision. So the bottom metal and the chassis that you see there is all one single piece.
I've looked for a little bit of the infrared. Same kind of thing. Yeah. And then because it doesn't.
Now, get both of those before you get comfortable.
I can.
So whenever you're ready, you're going to shoot the big dong in the back of the range at 200 left. And it's a mass trigger, so it's light. You're going to tell me shoot her ready, and I was going to tell you spot her up. All right. Shoot her ready, spot her up. That was an impact. Obviously, center punched it.
I don't know if that was him or him. I don't know either.
Go to the smaller one.
Bet money.
Someone just hit the steel targets up.
Tell me shoot her ready.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. Yeah. So I know exactly.
Shoot her ready, spot her up.
I walked up there. I was actually shooting yesterday. So when I
Center punch that one.
When I built these, like I used before, just perfect.
It's getting hot now. I can see your bullet trace. Go to the smaller one. Center punched it.
I mean, the link
wrap on range day here at Poma 2023. We are so excited to get back and stay in touch with a lot of the people that we've met. I tried out some really cool guns that are probably going to be moved up on the list. We had a great time and appreciate everyone's hospitality. And as you can tell, we're all having a good time. So we'll see y'all next time.